Your voicemail greeting is the first thing a customer hears when you can't pick up. And most businesses are still using the default that says, "The person you are trying to reach is unavailable." That's a wasted impression, and it makes you sound smaller than your business is. In this video, we'll cover setting up a voicemail step-by-step in KrispCall. Record a custom greeting tone to keep the callers assured. Plan follow-ups faster when it's active. And turn on AI transcription so you can read your voicemails instead of listening to them repeatedly. The best part is that it only takes a few minutes. Let's do it. Start by logging into your KrispCall dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Settings, then Phone Numbers, and pick the number you want voicemail on. You'll open the number's general settings. Here, enable the auto voicemail transcription and go to Call Settings on the same page. Here, in the incoming call strategy, switch If Unanswered, drop down to voicemail. Now, any call you don't answer has somewhere to go instead of just ringing out. Right below is the part that matters. Setting up prompts to guide callers on why you are unable to answer the phone. You can set the message straight from text to speech or upload an audio file. Keep it short and useful. Something like, "Hi, you've reached Luna Richards at KrispCall. I can't take your call right now, so leave your name, number, and a quick message, and I'll get back to you today." 20 seconds, friendly, and it tells the caller exactly what to do and when to expect a reply. That's all a great greeting needs. Now the rules. First, how long the phone rings before voicemail picks up. Around 20 to 25 seconds is the sweet spot. Too short, and you miss calls you could have answered. Too long, and callers give up before they can leave a message. Then, this is the trick most people miss. Set a separate after-hours greeting. During business hours, your normal greeting. After you close, a different one. "Thanks for calling. Our hours are 9 to 6, Monday to Friday. Leave a message and we'll call you first thing." Now callers at 9 p.m. aren't confused about why no one's answering. Now that it's ready, be sure to always test it first. Call your number from another phone, let it ring through, and leave yourself a message. Check that the right greeting played, the message arrived. Fix anything that's off. You can re-record in seconds. Here's the time saver. As AI voicemail transcription is already enabled, every voicemail gets written out as text and delivered to you. You can read the entire message at a glance instead of dialing in and listening to the whole message, sometimes even repeating it. Don't forget to test your transcriptions too. Let's look into 3 quick mistakes you must avoid. 1. Don't leave the default robot greeting. It costs you nothing to record a real one. Don't make it a monologue. Nobody listens past 20 seconds. And don't forget to tell people when you'll call back. "I'll get back to you today" turns a voicemail into a promise instead of a void. Wasn't that a professional voicemail setup? A real greeting, customizable as you want, options to create and upload recordings, and AI transcriptions so you read instead of listening more. KrispCall includes all of this, with plans from $12 a month. Links in the description. Subscribe for more KrispCall tutorials. See you in the next one.